Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a 6-week course using Chat GPT. I'll be demonstrating with Chat GPT how to create a 6-week syllabus, a week 1 lesson plan, guided practice, quizzes, and finally organizing your courses within Chat GPT. So let's get right into the demonstration. Let's begin with the syllabus. You can tell Chat GPT to write a 6-week course syllabus for any topic, and I'm going to say we want to write it with a quiz for each topic, 2 midterms, and a final. Now check this out, these results are in real time, so we just wait a little bit and immediately you can see that it begins to create a course outline and comes up with topics for each quiz as well. Now obviously it's not going to be every single lesson that you would want in there, so you can even tell ChatGPT to add in certain topics in certain weeks, or you can just use this as a jumping off point and customize it yourself. So for now, we're just going to accept this as our curriculum. And the next thing I want to do is write a lesson plan for one of the weeks. So let's just let ChatGPT finish this. I want to keep it real time, and then we'll get to the lesson plan. All right, now let's make our lesson plan. We can tell ChatGPT to write a lesson plan for week 1. Now for the results of this one, I'm going to speed it up, but basically you can see that it'll come up with an objective, tell you what materials you would need, and then come up with kind of an outline for what you should be covering, how long it should take, and so on. Now, if you notice, it suggested doing some guided problems. So you can actually tell ChatGPT to write the guided practice for you and simply say, write some practice problems for the guided practice. I'm going to speed up the results again, but you can see basically it comes up with a few questions. Once again, you can just tell it to tweak some, add a few concepts, and so on. Next thing we want to do is get the answers to the guided practice. So right away you can see it not only gives the answers, but even gives some explanations for each one and some steps. Now the next thing we want to do is create a quiz for the week. So we can just tell ChatGPT write a quiz for week 1. And you can see it comes up with a quiz right away. And in this case, it's actually a multiple choice quiz, which is really impressive. And after the multiple choice quiz is done, it'll even give our solutions. I know it sounds crazy, but none of that was actually the cool part. The best part is we could go back up to the write a lesson plan for week 1 and edit the lesson plan for week 1 and change that to week 2, and that will create a new thread where you can repeat the same pattern. You can go back and forth between the threads by clicking left and right, and you can create the same thing for the rest of the weeks as well. The final thing to remember is that this is a new technology, so make sure you verify any content because it can make mistakes. Has anyone had success with this? If you have any tips or if there's any specific questions that you asked that gave you a flawless lesson plan, please leave a comment below and let's help each other out. Thank you for watching.